There, he got him.
Nice.
Yeah, here, I'm getting it. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Look at that throat. Looks like somebody painted it. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Boulder River Yellowstone cutthroat.
That's a pretty one. Oh, that's a beauty.
Yeah. That's a nice fish. Oh,
Oh, you
I
forgot.
didn't have waders on.
That's a hell of a nice fish.
There he went.
Hold him up there. So
It was too slippery.
did he get off?
Yeah.
Okay.